Most men experience the same confusion. Everything seems fine. Then suddenly her replies slow, her energy changes, and distance appears. Not because you said the wrong thing, but because you unknowingly broke hidden psychological rules that govern attraction. Female attraction doesn't respond to effort. It responds to emotional strength, presence, and direction. Machiavelli understood this centuries ago. True influence never comes from trying to be liked. It comes from perception, composure, and power. Here are 3 truths that change everything. Secret 1. Silent presence. Attraction begins before words. A woman senses your emotional state instantly. Your calm, your tension, your neediness, or your control. Men who rush, over-explain, or seek validation signal insecurity. Men who move calmly, speak slowly, and allow silence communicate independence and inner strength. Presence creates attraction before conversation ever does. Secret 2. Emotional tests. Women instinctively test emotional stability through teasing, delays, or small challenges. Most men fail by defending, overreacting, or seeking reassurance. Composed men pass by staying relaxed, grounded, and deliberate. Calm responses signal reliability. Emotional control signals power. Secret 3. Forward motion. Women are drawn to men who are growing. Not perfect men, progressing men. Purpose, momentum, and direction are instinctively attractive. A man building his life doesn't chase attention. He creates gravity. These are not tricks. They are signals of value. Master your presence. Control your reactions. Build your direction. When you do, attraction stops being something you chase and becomes something you naturally generate.